Welcome to our GPU Showdown. Today we are diving into the details of two powerful graphics cards, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 Ti AERO OC 16G and the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti Shadow 3 XOC. Both cards boast impressive specifications, but which one truly stands out? In this video, we'll break down their performance, cooling systems, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, both the GIGABYTE AERO OC and MSI Shadow 3 XOC are built for high-end gaming. The GIGABYTE model features a robust WINDFORCE cooling system, ensuring optimal thermal management during intense gaming sessions. On the other hand, the MSI Shadow 3 XOC boasts an impressive clock speed of 2,497 MHz, which can provide a slight edge in performance. Both cards are equipped with 16 GB of GDDR7 memory, making them suitable for the latest titles at high settings. However, the MSI's architecture may give it a slight advantage in demanding scenarios. Cooling is crucial for maintaining performance, and both cards utilize advanced cooling technologies. The GIGABYTE AERO OC features the WINDFORCE cooling system, which includes multiple heat pipes and large fans to dissipate heat effectively. In contrast, the MSI Shadow 3 XOC is designed with a triple fan setup that not only enhances airflow, but also minimizes noise during operation. Both systems are efficient, but the MSI's design may provide quieter performance under load. Finally, let's talk about value for money. The GIGABYTE AERO OC is priced at $859, while the MSI Shadow 3 XOC comes in at a more competitive $834. While both cards offer similar specifications, the MSI's lower price point may make it a more attractive option for budget-conscious gamers. Ultimately, the choice may come down to personal preference regarding brand loyalty and design aesthetics. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 Ti AERO OC and the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti Shadow 3 XOC are excellent choices for gamers looking for high performance. The GIGABYTE offers robust cooling and a solid build, while the MSI provides a slight edge in clock speed and better value for money. We hope this comparison helped you in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.